In this video, you are going to see how to print on page multiple times in on sheet in Microsoft Word document. Let's get started. Let me press Ctrl P, or I can go to File and just click on Print. Here in the bottom you will see a option on page per sheet. Let me choose 4 pages per sheet and click on the pages box and write the page number 1 multiple times using the comma. I want 4 times, so I have written the 1 4 times with the comma. And let me choose the page size A4. If I click on the print, the page will be printing. For the demo purpose, let me save the file as a PDF. Click on print, select desktop and name the PDF. Click on save. Let me open the file, and here you will see I have the same pages for the 4 times in on sheet. I can print it from here. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.